Previously on Color Culture.
Who is he?
His name was Mike too.
Mike what?
Probably
Bigger
no.
guy, shorter guy?
He's like my height.
Oh,
Yeah.
'cause I know a lot of Mikes that go there. You
I
see
know
them
who
and
they
you know
are,
they're there,
yeah,
but you
but I
don't. Yeah.
Yeah. Dang, man. I was trying to get this video done in less than an hour, and I'm freaking stuck in traffic. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. Dang, man, I'm so serious. I was about to just go somewhere like 5 minutes away, and I was like, no, let's go downtown. You know what I'm saying? I was like, let's go downtown real quick. It's almost 7 o'clock, and man, I jumped on the highway, and it's crazy. People over there cheating. No, you can't go that way. All right, finally got here, man, and there's nothing that like ticks me off more than like, I was about to curse. There's nothing that like makes me mad more than like sitting in traffic. I hate it, especially when like I was supposed to stay close to the house and you're just like stuck in traffic. I hate it, but let me switch to my camera real quick. All right, switch to the camera. I know it's like a whole different vibe, I know. And I'm not really in the mood to even like adventure today, but you know what I'm saying? I guess it comes with the job. Could have just went my backyard, but let me hop out here real quick. I'm gonna put like an hour on the meter and we're just gonna knock this one out, guys. Shout out to the gifter for getting me these Louis V's with the case. I got the case back here, you know what I'm saying? No reason. I'm just gonna bring it with me. But go ahead and like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you're brand new. And yeah. I'm telling you, I'm about to go like probably just down to this block right here. What is that, a church or something? It's nice. This is pretty much golden hour out here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Have a look. See all that gold back there? Yeah, this is the right time. There's some questionable people out here today as usual, but they're just a little bit more questionable than usual. And I'm like half gym dressed. I was gonna go to the gym and then I decided to change my mind. And then I was like, let me get this video done instead. So here I am. Yeah. And this dude on the bike is staring at me down here like, dude, don't come down here, please. Please don't. Please don't. No. It's one of them days where I'm telling you, I gotta get this done. All right, right here. Orange box, love the orange box. Thank you so much again, gift for me that orange box. I didn't think you was gonna send it to me, but you did, thank you. All right, now I'm about to get my Louis V model on real quick. Okay. But they're cool though. I'm just happy that they sent this little briefcase with them. So again, for like the third or fourth time, shout out to the gifter. And as soon as I cut the camera on, the loudest motorcycle in the world wants to drive by. I'll cover the rest of the stuff in the unboxing. So I'm about to cut this camera off. It's dark right now, as you can tell. I think the shots went okay. If they didn't, and it is what it is. Peace, love, and light, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Okay, let's talk about them. Let's start with the box. And man, that was like an experience downtown that day. It was like all the crazies were out, and you know, it is what it is. But anyway, guys, peace and love, and shout out to Lily, my good person Lily at Sneaker 8890 for getting these to me. I didn't know they'd really send me the box, and they did. And this box is beautiful, or this case is beautiful, if that's what we're gonna call it. I don't have anything to compare this with, so it just is what it is. I don't even know if I'll keep the sneakers in here. I'll just kind of, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I am happy that they agreed to send it to me. Again, I can't vouch for the quality. To me, it looks beautiful. I love the orange with the whole brown Damier pattern that they use over there at LV. And again, I'm not a designer dude, but I just like some of the presentations sometimes. Like when they don't overdo it and they make things simple like this, I love it. You got to click those too. I think it's one you got to click that unleashes those. It took a little bit of practice. Then you pull an actual box out with no lid, and some papers are in there. This is like a little, I don't know where you would put that on the shoe. If you guys know where you would put that on the shoe, or if it belongs, just let me know in the comments. Again, this isn't a $10,000 pair of sneakers. I would not pay that much. I think they were $2,700 when they first released on the LV site, and I didn't even take a look at the LV site because I knew my good person Lily, they had me covered. So inside the box, it was a little lackluster. I thought it'd be a little nicer. I mean, this is what you'd get from LV, but I thought I'd have some more bells and whistles or something. They're just like foam. I was like, oh, really? Okay, whatever. But let's take a look at the shoe. Now, I thought I'd like the white on whites a little better than these, but obviously you can wear this sneaker more because it's not white on white. And I've always been like a sucker for that Damier print, that LV print, which also looks like the Gucci print as well, and I like that too. And back in the day, like 01, 02, I'm referencing 2002, I mean, the bootleggers, they had these things on lock. Like you get Louis V, Gucci, Prada prints and all that stuff, and I always wanted a pair. I just didn't want to wear them around my peers. Yes, that's right, I didn't want to wear fake luxury Air Force Ones around. I just couldn't do it at the time. Now things have totally changed, and my view on designer has changed, because I think it's kind of, you know, a scam with the designer people, especially Balenciaga. But I mean, look at that pattern though. And the people over there at Sneaker 8890, they actually took their time with these. And see, if you look at the back right there, that could be a flaw, but I don't know. See how that doesn't line up to square with the back? And I don't even know if it should or not, but it's going to be hard for me to point out flaws because I don't have anything to reference these to. And personally, I don't really care. And it's funny because the last LV video, a lot of people, well, not a lot, a few people were jumping in there and they're like, fake. These are 100% knockoffs. And guys, that's beautiful right there. That doesn't hurt my feelings. Like I'm telling you, when you say it's fake or not, that really doesn't hurt my feelings. For one, you don't even have the retail LV sneakers, so I don't even know what you're talking about. You're looking at pictures or something like that. But I don't care. I'll wear these shoes to Walmart. I'll wear these shoes to SneakerCon. Yeah, they should have gave us polyurethane in there. That looks so nice too. Like even if the T was missing in Italy right there, I wouldn't care. I just wouldn't care. Like it doesn't matter to me. I'll wear these anywhere. And yeah, there's some guy. I'll wear these around people that actually know sneakers, and they might be like, "Yo, he's wearing some fake." I don't care. I don't care. These are beautiful. Quality was amazing, and black light. I don't think there was anything that picked up around the toe box. There was a little something, but I don't think that's actually leading lines. If I can get there for you guys, these actually look really dope under the light too. But you see that around the toe box, the mud guard, if you want to call it that. Yeah, that could probably be cleaned up really easy using like the general's method that he showed you. Just kind of clean that up with a Q-tip and some light chemical. But the shoe is beautiful, man. I'm trying to keep the video a little shorter than 8 minutes, which I did not do. But peace, love, and light. Make sure you follow me on IG and as well as Sneaker 8890. And we'll keep it pushing. Peace.